Hi, this is Barry Coombs from ComputerWorld. This is just a short video to tell you a little bit about our event that we have just launched and we're starting to get sign-ups for. ComputerWorld have been running a VMworld update event now for nearly 5 years. Started off as a small lunch and learn and has grown from there to an event that was over 120 people attended last year. So what we've decided to do this year is make even more of a show of it, make it bigger and better than ever. We've now got a unique brand for it called Define Tomorrow, and the plan for Define Tomorrow is it's going to live on past the event as a place of knowledge, a blog, a place where you can come and get information about the latest products, what's just been released, tips and tricks to get the most out of your environment. And what we're recognising is, certainly with the changes in IT, lots is going on, and whilst virtualization had been our main focus for quite some time now, there's lots of other areas in IT that are equally taking precedence for us and what we're working with our customers. So the website Define Tomorrow is going to be focused on more than just virtualization. We've got wireless and networking, Microsoft technologies, end user computing, as well as unified comms and communication, and then training. So we're going to have industry experts talking about the subjects that they love, the passion that they've got, hopefully as a resource that you're going to want to go to. But the event that we're looking to run, it's going to be our first Define Tomorrow event. It's going to be ran on the 12th of November. We're running it in the centre of Bristol. It's at the event at Bristol, which is the Science Museum Science Centre in the centre of Bristol, so we've got a fantastic location. We've got Dell and VMware as our primary sponsors, our premier sponsors, and we've got excellent speakers coming from there. The people that we've got Tim Griffin, who is the Managing Director, General Manager for UK for Dell, who's going to be sharing with us his thoughts on where the industry is going, what Dell are seeing, and most importantly, how Dell are recognising the change that's happening in the industry. I think if we go back several years, what we were seeing is it was very easy just to talk about individual products. You just wanted to go to Dell, HP and IBM and speak about one SAN. We're now looking at things like hyperconvergence and cloud changing the way that we're buying IT solutions, and we're also seeing with the recession that's happened in previous years, the business case needs to be stronger than ever. So it's not about individual items now, it's about a solution, it's about solving a business problem. And Tim will hopefully be expanding on that, explaining what Dell see and how they're changing for the good to become a better provider to our customers. We then of course have VMware, and we're lucky enough to have a gentleman called Ed Hoppett. Ed is on the CTO Ambassador program for VMware, which means he's speaking to lots of C-level customers. He's sharing the vision of VMware and trying to help them architect solutions that are going to meet their business solutions. Ed has a fantastic background, has some exciting experience that he's going to be able to share with you, but most importantly what he's going to be able to do to you is bring the updates, bring the vision that Pat Gelsinger, VMware CEO, spoke about at VMworld to Bristol. And for me, what is really important is going deeper than just the technical updates and understanding what it means for you, how it's going to help you in your business, which for me what Define Tomorrow is all about. It's all very well and good watching the VMworld keynote presentations, watching all the demonstrations, seeing what's released, but I think it does leave a lot of people, particularly as technology changes, as we're seeing this move away from infrastructure to application focus. What does it mean for you and your organisation or your school? How's this going to change? What do you need to be putting into your IT strategy? So as well as those fantastic presenters on stage, we've got a lot of other sponsors that we're looking to be announcing over the coming weeks. We're going to have upwards of 150 people there, so it's a really good time for you to meet your peers, understand what else is going on in the surrounding area. So head over to definetomorrow.co.uk, give your ComputerWorld account manager a call, or get me on Twitter. I'm at VirtualizeReal, and I really hope we can see you at the event.